Good morning, everyone. It's SparklingChar, and welcome back to my channel. Just coming in to show you some more of those little embellishments that I made. I love those fall ones so much. Yeah, that's them on the screen that I came in and decided to make some for Christmas. Oh, they look so cute just being on the refrigerator and everything. And I had some little tiny words that I used, some very little miniature words. Um, that with different sands, and then I cut out the scallop tag off of Cricut, and I put like four of them together to make them very sturdy. As you can see, I use different patterns of paper, and I see I got one, two, three, four, five more to make. Yeah, so let me just show you what I put together, guys. Use a lot of ephemera and everything. Here's the first one. Say sleigh bells snowed in with a little mitten and a deer head, some twine. And then here's another one. Isn't that cute? The little car. Say presents on the tag. A little candy cane. Say partial post. And then for these, I actually went on Google and I cut out the little houses. Because that's what my thing was, to just use my focal point was the houses that I was putting together. I wanted to make them with houses. All cute little houses. That one says snowed in. This one is cute. Says, oh, what fun. Hot chocolate. Santa's workshop. Tim hosts. I used a lot of little gem bling, gemstones. Here's another one. They are super cute, easy to make, and I just enjoy them. And as you can see, I did color up some of the I gotta glue that down. Some of the those clothespins that I have in my stash. Look at that one. That one is so cute. Say deck the halls. And then this is the last one. It says Christmas magic. I put on the clothespin. Deck the halls, Christmas tree. You see the little house in the back. Dollar Tree sticker. Oh, these came out so cute, guys, and they look so cute on the refrigerator. And I made some more followers and I put on the dishwasher. It's just too stinking cute, so stinking cute. So that's it for me, guys. I just wanted to stop in and show you guys. Um, yeah, all you need to do is get the little houses off of Google, cut them out, and just start placing. Find your word. Like this one say Winter Wonderland. And just use some sticky stuff like, let's see. Here's a little Christmas tree. And it's like made just that quick. You glue them down. Use your twine. Super cute. That is super cute. Yeah. So thank you guys for stopping by. And I hope you make these. I could make one right quick. Right? Shall I? I might as well go and put this one together. Okay. Let me push these up. Let's get this one going. They so quick to make, guys. Voila, the glue came out. I can't believe it. So put that down. You can use dimensionals too, because I did use dimensionals on some of the um, words. I may use it for the Winter Wonderland. You know what? I can cover this tree up here. And where's my dimensionals? Maybe I won't use them. I know you guys had that same problem with stuff just disappears right on your desk, table, or whatever you're working on. Okay, I guess I won't use dimensional, guys. So I'll just glue it down. Let's see. I could put it like right here. Try not to hide too much of your whatever you got going on. Oh my God, this is so adorable. I think I did have like a gingerbread. I had some little bitty ones. So you could take him, put him like right behind there. I think that's what I'll do. I'll put him right behind there. With his head peeking out. And then let me poke this hole back in here. Oh, that's too big. Let me see. It's the blue one. And then we'll get us a little bit of this twine. Or should I put some green ribbon on here? No, this twine would be perfect. I might get another little bitty word and stick on there. Oh, that didn't work out. So I hope you guys give this project a try. It is so much fun. So I might make some for Halloween. Now that I think about it. I don't do a lot of Halloween decorations, but since my girls have grown up, I'm not really into it so much anymore. There we go. I'm going to cut this down just a little bit. And we're going to find one of these little bitty words to put on here. Here go one that says, oh, sorry for shaking the camera, guys. I'm so sorry. This one says stockings. Oh, here go one say jingle all the way. We'll do that one. I love these little tiny, teeny, tiny words. I think I got them off of Etsy a while back. Some digitals. So guys, I just want to pop on here before I left for work. Let's see, where can we put this? Right here. And we need just a little bit of bling. Do I got some bling somewhere? Let me find some bling to put on here. Should I put some red? Let's put some red on here. I don't know what I did with mine. I wasn't intending on making anything, but that's okay. We use the red ones. Put on there. Okay, that's all I'll do for now. And you know, you can stickle up the little snow part of it. And let me get a clothespin. Grab a clothespin. I can put that right there. I probably could put another little tiny word there on top of the clothespin. Well, you get what I'm saying. Jolly Saint Nick. Let's use that one. know what, I might color it. See if I got a green. I thought I had a green marker. Yeah, I do. Let's color this paper clip. Hope I'm still in frame. This is just a Dollar Tree marker. And I'm just doing the top for now. It's kind of nice to craft before you go to work. It makes you relax. I'm so relaxed, guys. There we go. And you could take, I have, where is my, what I was using was the magnets, right? But you could take those notepads you get like at Dollar Tree and just snip the back of the thing off of it. Like, I'm going to show you right here. Take the back of this is a notepad, and take this back off. And you can use it as magnet strips if you don't have the regular magnets. And you just cut just like a little slim piece. It really don't even have to be this long. You take it. Hope I'm in frame, I'm sorry. And you just add it to the back. Now if you want to put something back here to cover this up, you can just use a piece of whatever color scrap you got. I'm not doing that right now. And there you have it. See? So cute. Be so cute on your refrigerator. Yeah. I'm trying to find my stickle so I can stickle it up right quick, but I don't know what I did with it. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I did a few more, and I guess, like I say, I will be doing it for Halloween. I'll make a few for Halloween to put on, you know, the appliances or whatever. Now don't forget the back of this here. Works great. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.